Alright, hey guys, welcome back to the Wheelio 6 channel. So today, I wanted to do a quick video, and I'm going to go get the car wash. So, this is my first impressions on my 2006, Honda Civic Si. Now, I own the car as of recording this video for about a month, so I'll also put out another video, probably not right after this one, because I do have the TL video. I am working on that currently as of probably recording, but just in general, my first impressions. The interior, I'm gonna just start off with the interior since we're already here and I have to wait. The interior is nice. It is, for what is this person doing? Okay, for the interior from 2006, honestly not that bad. And if the car is really loud, I am sorry. I do not have the baffle in. But drives fine. But continuing with the interior, of course the car did not come with a radio, so I put a radio in. So I got this $100 cheap radio off of eBay just to get me by until I get me a really nice head unit and replace all the speakers all at once. But that's down the line, making this car a really nice sleeper, but also just a nice car in general. Let the car warm up a little bit before. But as a daily, it has been a great car. It has done me very good. Reliability, pretty good for the most part. I fixed some of the weird jank stuff that they did with the battery. So I put a brand new bolt and nut for the main terminal, and then for the other one I just bent it all back together and it all screws in together perfectly fine. So that's fixed. Let me do this so the camera doesn't get overexposed. But just driving the car, it is smooth, it drives okay. It has its clunks, the alignment is off, as I said previously stated in my video, announcement video of this car. But one thing is about this car, it pulls very hard. She drives straight for what it is, and yeah, I really enjoy driving this car. It has been a great daily ever since I owned it. Comparing this to the TL, obviously I didn't expect this to have the premium audio system. Should have done more research, but now learning that this car has a premium audio system, I wired it all up as previously stated in my video with the radio. Just wire it into accessory power, makes your life a whole lot easier instead of trying to wire up the amp power. I just did key on accessory, so now whenever I turn the key on, it turns the amp on. No problem. I guess one other thing is that the mirrors are in pretty rough shape, so I'll probably replace those. This car, body-wise, cosmetics, not the best shape, but the rust is very minimal, which I do like. I do like that this car has very minimal rust. Now looking underneath the car and looking at the suspension, some of the bushings do need replaced, which I do expect, but it is honestly not that bad shape. for the most part. So, in my opinion, it's not that bad. I just wanted to make this quick video because I'm driving a car. Pretty good time just to record. And I'm washing it and everything. But that's pretty much about it for, you know, my general impressions. Also, cool. So, you know, it's a nice day out. The car runs great, runs and drives great. It does have its mirror hiccups with saying it has an air leak, even though it doesn't. The only reason why I think it does is because the air box does not want to seal. That's, I think, something with a clip or something, I don't know. But that's just my minor gripes. But that's pretty much my first impressions. I just wanted to put that out there. So, you know, in my next video, I'll actually be going out as I do my month. You know, you hear the clutch and stuff. I'll do in a little bit of time, I'll do a 1 month review video, like 2 month review of owning the car. But that's pretty much it for this video. So as always, like, subscribe, hit the comment down below, and hit the bell to help me get, you know, hit the algorithm, and support one of your smallest YouTubers out here. So I'll end it here.